everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys my Walmart Ibotta haul. Now, I actually went to Walmart early this morning, but the Ibotta app is acting up, so depending on when you guys watch this, you may or may not have problems. I bought this stuff early this morning and it's already going into this evening, and the app is still not letting me submit my receipt. So I went to Ibotta on Facebook and it said a lot of people were complaining about the same thing, so it is a thing that is happening. They said you can email them and, you know, tell them all the rebates. So after I get done with this video, I'm going to give them word for word every single rebate that I got, every level, so they can fix it for me. I'm going to keep trying until later tonight, and then if not, I will submit a problem. So if you guys have that problem, you know, you can always just message them, email them, all that fun stuff. They do take a while to get a hold of you, but it's up to you guys if you guys want to do that or not. But if you guys have not joined Ibotta, I definitely join it every single week. I show you guys Ibotta hauls. If you guys want to join, I do have a referral link down below. You guys will get $10 when you submit your first rebate. So yes, and then if you guys want to be on my team, you guys can actually friend request me. I do have a physical link that you guys can friend request me. I have Deals by DesignerJen, and then underneath that I actually have a Facebook thing that you guys can be on my team. The only way to be on my team is to either join through my referral link, or you guys can friend request me on Facebook. You just need to make sure your account is connected through Facebook. That's the only way to be on my team. So there is that. And I do not try to be mean, but I do go through people's profiles because I get a lot of weird people. I get people who want to be my friend because they want me to do reviews for them on Amazon, and half the time it's crap. And I've actually had to block somebody the other day because this person would not leave me alone. I said I'm not interested, and then he's like, hey, how's it going? And I'm like, leave me alone. So there's crazy people out there. And then we just dropped our pacifier. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the deals that I got at Walmart. She's got a pacifier this time, you guys, so just saying, she's got a pacifier. The first deal I did is the Chobani Flips. Now, I think this is the last deal for me, but this is a pretty great deal if you guys have the coupons. So these are $1 at my store. You guys want to buy 5 of them, okay? With Ibotta, okay, so you guys would buy 5 of them. There is a $1 off of 5 coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. So you guys would pay $4 for 5 of them. But then with Ibotta, you guys can, you just lost your pacifier again. This is the reason why I don't have pacifiers down here. This is the reason why I don't have a pacifier. But you guys would pay, or you guys would submit $2.44 off of 4 rebate with Ibotta. And then with checkout 51, there is a $1 off of 5 rebate also. And if you guys don't have checkout 51, I have a referral link below. You guys will get $5 when you submit your first receipt. But you'll end up getting 5 of these for 56 cents or 11 cents a piece, which is a great deal if you guys want to go ahead and do that. So I got 5 of those. They're all in this bag right here. And then I ended up getting the regular Chobani yogurts. Now at my store, these are 88 cents a piece. Okay, 88 cents a piece. You guys want to use a $1 off of 5 coupon. You would pay $3.40 for 5 of these. You guys can submit a $2.44 rebate off of Ibotta. And you guys can submit a $1 off of 5 rebate with checkout 51. Making these a 4-cent moneymaker. You will get 5 of them absolutely free. I got approved right before I came down here to do my video. I got approved for checkout 51, so I got approved for both of those. So I was really excited. It was the same deal last week, which I only thought it was just the ones, but it's actually both of them if you click on, you know, the offer. So if you guys did it last week, or yeah, I know. Okay. So they added some new deals because it's a new month, you guys. We are going to hit level 4. I'm going to say November, let's be the best month ever. Yes. Okay. So I ended up getting cup noodles, not cup of noodles, cup noodles, stir fry. These are 78 cents at my store. I don't think there's any coupons out there, but with Ibotta, you guys will get 75 cents back, making these 3 cents a piece. It is a limit of 2, so you guys can only get 2. I did have another one, so I ended up doing these because this is a great deal. It's 3 cents. 3 cents for these. So I ended up getting those, okay? I did the baby food deal, and thank you guys for sending me more coupons. But these are these were $1.96. You guys want to use a $1 off a 2 coupon that was available on coupons.com. Now we did get some regular inserts for these, but those are a little, you have to buy 6 of them to do this deal to get $2 off. The printables are a little bit better. So you guys would pay $2.92 for 2 of them, but then you guys can submit 2 75-cent rebates on Ibotta, making it $1.42 or just 71 cents a piece. So if you guys want to go ahead and do that deal, definitely go ahead and get that. Yeah. Okay, now the Jolly Rancher, they totally changed the marshmallow aisle since I was there last week. So this went up in price because last week these were 63 cents. Now they went up to $1.18. So you guys would pay $1.18 for this, but then you guys can submit a 35-cent rebate with Ibotta, making them just 83 cents. But I also submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards. Now if you guys haven't joined Fetch Rewards, I also have a referral link where you guys will get 2,000 points when you click my referral link. Fetch Rewards is an awesome app. All you guys do is just scan your receipts and you guys get points for every receipt that you scan. I do have a video of how to use Fetch Rewards that's pretty informational if you guys need to do that. But I ended up getting 250 bonus points for this, and then I also got 71 points for that, plus, you know, my original 25-cent any receipt. So that was a pretty good deal if you guys want to go ahead and do that. I did the Crunch Master deal again. Now these were $2.78. I used that $1 off coupon that we got from coupons.com. You would pay $1.78 for this, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, and you guys can submit a $1 rebate with checkout 51, making it just 28 cents. 28 cents for crackers. Pretty great deal if you guys want to do that. Anytime Crunchmaster shows up on coupons.com, usually there's going to be an Ibotta deal for that. So, yes. Now I ended up doing these beans again. Like, I am so sick of these beans, but I cannot pass up free beans. So these were $1. These are $1. Yeah. You guys would pay $1 for these, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on checkout 51. It is a limit of 2, but you guys would pay $1, get $1 back with checkout 51, making these absolutely free. So that's a great deal if you guys want to do that. So got that, and then I ended up getting another one. Charlotte's like, "Mom, I want to eat your face." She is teething, but there is no teeth coming. Nothing. Nothing. And she likes to pull my hair and eat my face. Here, Charlotte. Let go, let go, let go, let go. Yeah, here. Oh, okay. She's like, "Mom, I want to eat your face." Looks good on me, right? Yeah. Okay. So the next deal I ended up doing is I ended up getting the dog food, the high protein dog food. Now these are 96 cents. We just received buy one get one free coupons. I don't know if it was this past Sunday's newspaper or the Sunday before that. I cannot remember. But you guys would end up buying paying four of the, you'd end up buying four of them and paying $1.92. But then you guys can submit $1 off of 4 rebate with Ibotta, making 4 of them for 92 cents or just 23 cents a piece. If you guys want to go ahead and do that, I think that's a pretty good deal. So I got 4 cans of dog food. Yeah. I have another one around here, but I don't know how to do it. The next deal I got is this True Made Foods vegetable ketchup, low sugar. I ended up having a coupon from it last week. I went to the website and it was not available anymore. So if you guys have that coupon, awesome. But if you don't, this is still a pretty good deal. Now my rebate was about to end soon on this, so you guys have to check it out. But this is $3.62. I did have, I did have a $2 off coupon, but it's no longer available. So I did not use that. So I would pay $3.62 for this. But then you guys can submit 2 different Ibotta rebates for $1.25. So there's 2 different Ibotta rebates for $1.25, making this $1.12. So not the greatest deal, but if you guys need some ketchup, I mean, for $1.12, that's an okay deal. So I got you to share with you guys on that deal. I ended up getting the all laundry pods. Now these were $4.97. I used $1 off coupon that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. You guys would end up paying $3.97, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.97. Now there is a deal where if you buy a Snuggle product and an all product, you do get $1 bonus. But I don't know if I got it. I think I did because Ibotta is not working right now, but I did factor that in when I show you guys my breakdown. But I think for $1.97 for that stuff's fine. But I ended up also getting the Snuggle Shakes. Now there is a $1.50 off printable coupon that you guys can print from coupons.com. So these were $5.97. You guys use that $1.50 off coupon. You would pay $4.47 for the both of these, or for this. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making it $2.47. But then I said you'll get that $1 bonus when you guys buy the all and the Snuggle, so that comes out a little bit cheaper if you guys want to do that. Yeah. Okay, the next deal I ended up getting is the Snuggle Renews It. Now my store had a $3 Peely, otherwise I was going to use a $2 off coupon that we had, but I ended up using the $3 off Peely. So these were $6.48. I used a $3 off Peely, so I paid $3.48 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta, making it just $1.98. So there is 3 refills in here for $1.98 if you guys want to go ahead and do that deal. Charlotte's like, Mom, I'm going to check that out. Thanks. Okay, and then this is the last deal. I've skipped around. I haven't gone any in order at all. I was going to get a couple different things, but my store either didn't have it and I was in extreme big hurry. But the next deal I got is the chocolate chip cookies. These are $1.83. You guys would pay $1.83 for this. But then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta, making it just $1.08. So if you guys need some cookie mix, you can go ahead and do that. Now, I really rarely ever shop clearance at Walmart because it's usually gone like that. Like, I don't wait till it's 90% off. But my store had a couple things that I got. I did not factor this in my price, but I did get some pretzels, like a 24 pack of pretzels. Ben helped himself to that already. I did get some Cocoa Count Chocula cereal, and there was a sign that said it was 50% off, and then when I scanned it, it did not say it was 50% off. They're supposed to technically give it free that price, but I was in extreme hurry, and she's like, yeah, none of this stuff's ringing up 50% off, so she just took it. I just had it voided. But they did have some outfits for Miss Charlotte, so I ended up getting these for her to wear next year. So the funny thing is, these were $5.97, and they said they were 50% off, but they actually rung up as $2. So I ended up getting this little mummy cat t-shirt for her to wear next year. I thought that is super cute. So these were $2 a piece, and then I just got her like a little pumpkin. So I didn't factor those in at all in my little haul. And then I ended up getting just some rolls of fabric. I ended up gonna make something with these, so I ended up getting these. These were originally $1.47, and I got them for 73 cents. So I got skulls, because I love skulls. I got spider webs. I love spider webs. And eyeballs. Love it. So I ended up getting those to use for a project that I want to work on. I do want to do DIYs. I just have to have patience to do it. Okay. So my total for everything minus the Halloween stuff came to $36.13. I ended up getting, if I added everything up correctly, I ended up getting $18.48 back with Ibotta. I got $5 back with Checkout 51. I will be hitting $1 bonus for the All and Snuggle, so there's $1 right there. I needed 20 rebates to get level 1. 20 rebates for level 1, so I will not hit level 1. I think I got like 15, so when I hit level 1, it'll be a 50 cent rebate for that. But I did get the Weekend Warrior that starts usually on Thursdays. I needed 12 rebates for that, so I got $1 for that. And then I had the Money Monster where I just needed 4 more rebates for that, so I got a $10 rebate I will be getting for that. So my grand total was 27 items for 65 cents. That comes out to be 2 cents each. I got everything for 2 cents. I think that's a pretty good deal. 65 cents for everything. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So yes, I love to share with you guys these deals. I want to say November is going to be a great month, especially if you need 20 rebates for level 1. I mean, it does fluctuate for everybody, but if you guys need if you guys need that many rebates, that means it's going to be a good month for Ibotta. So definitely join if you guys have not joined. You can friend request me to be on my team. And yes, but again, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And we will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.